Welcome back to Sonic Insights. Google announced a partnership with Lenovo yesterday to introduce a new turnkey solution made specifically for Google Meet called the Series 1. Now, there are 5 hardware components to Series 1. Number 1, a smart audio bar powered by 8 beamforming microphone and Google's Edge TPU to provide noise cancellation of non-speaking sounds, such as a keyboard typing, somebody crinkling a bag of potato chips, or a dog barking. All the various sounds we hear when we're video conferencing these days. Number 2, a 4K camera with a large image sensor that provides PTZ effects. That stands for pan, tilt, and zoom. The camera will frame participants automatically using Google AI. Sounds pretty similar to the way Facebook Portals works. Number 3, a 10.1-inch Ethernet powered smart display used to initiate meetings via touch or Google Assistant. Number 4, mic pods designed for larger meeting rooms to extend the microphone coverage. You can imagine that if you have a Series 1 in a large conference room, on one end of the table, you might have some participants that won't be able to reach the microphone on the initial device, so this will extend the range. Number 5, all of this is powered by the Meet Compute system. It's basically a rectangular box that runs on Intel Core i7 processors and Google Edge TPUs. This is what makes the whole thing work. So Google Series 1 will likely appeal to companies that are decentralizing to more satellite locations, but still want the ability to communicate over video and try to replicate that in-person meeting feel as closely as possible. Now, as we continue to move toward a future that is more video conference centric, we should continue to expect that the video conferencing providers will design elegant solutions such as the Series 1 from Google. For an efficient way to stay up to date with audio, voice, and hearables technology, subscribe to our newsletter, podcast, and YouTube channel by checking us out at sonicinsights.co.